Hey kids, stick around, we get something cool. That's right, it's chat. Anyway, here's what we got. We got something cool in the mail from Anchor Lube. Now Anchor Lube, it says is a water-based cutting fluid. It can be used on any metal working operation. Now I looked and they sent me the safety data sheet. They aren't kidding. Water-based. Yeah, they said that to me. That's pretty cool. And then they sent me, what all the stuff can be used on. Stainless steel, high carbon steel, aluminum, titanium, exotic alloys. Works great on all metals, it says. Right there. Also, operations, drilling, tapping, sawing, cutting, turning, milling, facing. All of it. So, we're going to try 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Stick around. What's up? Yep, we're over here at the thing. We already got a piece of metal set up right here. We got a grinder, and we got Anchor Lube. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna that on there. I'm gonna get my safety gear on, bring it back in a minute. I got it all. So we're just gonna little thing right here. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, here we go. Right there. We're gonna make sure there's no seal on it. If there is, we'll remove it. Okay. Now, I'm just going to put a little dabble do right here, like that. And we'll just put it on there. All right, kids, here we go. I'd say that helped out pretty good there. Also said it's smokeless. Clearly, smokeless. I mean, smell of cut metal, I'll tell you that right now. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna try, we're gonna drill right there. We're gonna put a little right there on it. Anchor Lube. Now these are all the same. They just gave me 2 squeeze bottles and then this one. We'll do this in a second. All right. So first things first. Turn on the light. No laser beam anymore, kids. No laser beam. No smoke, no smell, nothing. I didn't have I could have used this clamp, but I didn't have a clamp on there, so I didn't want to go all the way through and run the risk of hurting my hand. So that works pretty good. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think so too. All right, now we tried. Now we're gonna tap. It says tap. That's on there, right here. Got a tap right here. I already pre-drilled the hole. We'll put a little bit of lube on the threads here. Hey, open the bottle, Chad. Yeah, okay, there we go. All right, lube on the threads. You gotta get in here so you can see. All right, here we go. Ready? Just gonna. Now this is nothing fancy. This is just a very, very inexpensive tap and die set. Like, I'm talking super inexpensive. Look at that though, huh? In and out, no problems. Can't beat that with a stick. Check. Just gonna clean that up just so you can see. It's right there. Easy does it, man, I'll tell you. Let me check it out one more time. Yep. Right in there, just like it's supposed to go. Yep, there we go, right there. See that? Nice and easy. Nice and easy, just like Tina Turner. Nice cleanup. No residue either. That's pretty slick. All right. Now, a rod. I'm just going to open this guy right up here. And I'm just going to, like that. Way too much. It's probably fine. It's probably fine, right? Let's just maybe just kind of, yeah, yeah. All right. Yeah, they sent me an email like, "Hey, you want to try this out?" I was like, "Yeah, man," because I mean, you've seen I've been using other stuff. So here we go. Now, if I was smart, I would have put this in a vise or something. But, well, look at that. Right on there, nice and easy. Yep. Check them out. All right, decided to reset the tap, or the tap. So I got a clamp on it here, and then I can, yeah, just like that. Makes it a lot easier when you can hold on to it. All right, so check them out. Some nice threads right there. I should have used a smaller one. Well, should we try it? Let me use a smaller one. Well, I don't think we can do a smaller one because I broke it. I broke it. Screw doesn't want to go back in there. Oh, now it wants to go back in there now that you guys are watching. Okay, anyway, so let's try it again. This is going great. I guess, yeah, I got it now. Let's try it again. Yep, this is my first day with the camera on the YouTubes. I don't know, man. I'll tell you. You know what? Let's just let's pretend that it's working. Okay, that went sideways real fast. Anyway, Anchor Lube, water-based. I'm telling you, it's right in the safety data sheet. You saw, even without my laser beam, it was fantastic. No smoke, nice cut. You saw, nice cut, right? You saw this, nice cut till I forgot how to do it. And you saw us cut right through here, no smoke. I'll tell you what, let's wrap this up before it goes off the rails a little bit further. All right, Anchor Lube. I'll tell you what, it's I'll be definitely putting up their website, all that, and you know what? I'll even put their phone number up on this channel. Plus, it'll be down in the comment in the description. So anyway, Anchor Lube. Now this stuff, I'll tell you what, I think it really worked very well. Cut, drilling, tapping, dyeing? Anyway, Anchor Lube. This right here, kids, is Honest Peyton Speed Shop approved. Go check them out. They're also on Facebook, Instagram, and of course on the YouTubes. We are right now anyway. So check them out right about after the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep on wrenching, kids.